Yan, to may Andrea, Dada, happy birthday, and I know you're happy now. That is your birthday today. Just always remember, Papa always loves you, and always Mama. Be a good girl and always pray. Stop, Papa always love you. Happy birthday, Dada. I love you.
Siyempre, all the best in life. Enjoyin mo yung pagkabata mo and then wag papabayaan mag-module. Ine-enjoy yung pagkabata pero nag-aaral na mabuti na ka, no? I love you. Happy 7th birthday.
Sa iyong kaarawan, hinihiling ko sa mahal na Amang Diyos sa langit at mahal na Ina, nabigyan ka ng malusog na pangatawan, mahabang buhay at naway makatapos ka ng iyong pag-aaral. Pagmamahal sa Panginoon Diyos, sa mga magulang, mama, papa, lolo, lola o mami, daddy, ay wag mo pong kakalimutan. Wish ko talaga ikaw ay maging malusog, mahabang buhay at mahal na mahal ka namin ng daddy, ha? Huwag mong kakalimutan ang pagmamahal namin sa iyo. God bless you.
When you put your hand in my jacket, I'm thinking so irrational. You flew me international now. We can spend hours reading the signals, but that's so unoriginal. What if we took this back to my house? Under all these lights, I gotta take a minute to calm down. But I feel like if I told you I was ready right this minute, do you think that it would turn you on? I just feel like you need to know. If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and tell someone?
Happy birthday, Dada!
Ano mo na pangalan mo?
Ethan.
Like we're wasting time. Tell me, should I go and call up a taxi? We can make out for play in the backseat. Please tell me now how that all sounds. You can sleep in while I make breakfast, watch cartoons and talk about exes. And if you're happy, stick around. I just feel like this is
Andrea Denise Canosas and Shepherd Keller here. Mommy and Daddy.
Are you listening? 'Cause I don't wanna waste your time. I'm not giving in. And losing faith will be all.
Happy birthday! Wish ko sa'yo, sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral mo and sana patuloy kang maging mabait sa mga tita mo at saka tito mo and ganun din sa mami at daddy mo. Wish ko sa'yo na tumaba na tayo parehas, Dada. Don't cry na. Happy birthday!
My heart's in pieces all over the floor. 'Cause you know I can't get you out of my head. Worried that you're just gonna forget. Oh baby, did you hear me when I said
Happiest birthday.
Wish lang ni Tito, sana pagbutihan mo sa pag-aaral, maging masunurin bata. Yan lang, sumunod ka lang sa magulang mo. Nandyan lang sila, Mami, tsaka si Daddy, nakagabay sa'yo. Yan, love ka namin lahat. Happy birthday ulit.
Only one I want by my side, but if you're not here for it, I know I gotta let you run away.
Hi Andrea, wish ko sana lumaki ka ng maayos, mabait, may takot sa Diyos at yung mag-aral ka ng mabuti at thank God din kasi napaka-friendly mo bata. Ayun, basta study hard, okay? Don't cry.
When I say, are you listening? 'Cause I don't wanna waste your time. I'm not giving in and lose it, they will be alright. Am I missing it? 'Cause you're the only one I want by my side. But if you're not here for it, I know I gotta let you run away. She keep on running away. She keep on running away. She keep on running away. You make me lose my mind 1,000 times a day. Baby, will you hear me when I say?
Ay Dada, sana ko si Andrea, mahal na mahal kita. Ang wish ko at sana lumaki kang mabait, mapagmahal sa magulang at maging magalang sa kapwa. At saka sana maano mga pag-aaral mo, matapos mo, pag-igihan mo pa. Yung ganon. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Andrea. Happy birthday. Mahal na mahal ka namin ng papa mo, ng mami, ng daddy, ng mama, ng papa, ng mga tita. Alam mo naman yun kung sino yung mga nagmamahal sa'yo. Yun lang.
Are you listening? 'Cause I don't wanna waste your time. I'm not giving in and lose it, they will be alright.